I'm walking. Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. You guys, we are in Orlando. We are about to meet up with my bestie and her husband. First, you guys, we are almost there. We're gonna go ahead and get checked in and check the room real quick, and then we're gonna be heading out for dinner. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And stay tuned, y'all. We made it, y'all. Oh, where? Alright, you guys, we are in here. Getting ready to check in real quick.
I just need a parking pass.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we made it in the room. We are about to get ready to go meet up with Bestie. So stay tuned, y'all. Hey lady, you got you my bestie.
Hey, are you live?
No, I'm not.
I can see my face, child. You know,
I like it.
it's my day, y'all.
Oh, that's so pretty. You. Alright, you guys, right now we're just taking pictures, you guys. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your families and friends. Alright, you guys, we walk here. It is so pretty out. Let me show you guys the land. I am not trying to get copyright. Where's your phone?
You want to get up there and get in more?
Perfect. And you take one to work on it. Good, baby.
Hey, y'all. It's not live, right? So
No, you're not live. live, baby.
So you're gonna post it after?
Yes, I will. We will be here. Alright, you guys, we are in here. We finally made our way here. We're walking in here. Alright, so stay tuned. You're going to show you guys what we'll be eating. Here we go. Alright, you guys, we can go out and eat here. So I think we first what's the debate and
My brother's heavy, bro. Stats and all of that. It's all that. I'm like, you gotta tell me when it's football.
good so far. Thank you.
Good on water.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, we got the same thing. It's too sweet. My son have that. Nice. If you don't mind. Yeah.
Here you. Look, let me help you out.
YouTube live. Too much ketchup. Oh my God.
Everybody here.
Not
big.
the camera, me, so.
You got me. Very good, y'all. I got big. Alright, we gotta eat, y'all. Obviously. How was your food, your meal?
It was good, but a bit too sweet. I don't like my barbecue sauce too sweet.
It was just, it was good, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Like it's time. We still have our second right here. We didn't need it. It was good, y'all. It was good. Yeah. I like these types of well, everybody do the thing. Oh, there it is. Look. That's the thing, right?
Maybe there's like other things to do. We don't have to do that exactly.
My head is spinning.
If not, what time? You know,
good here, Willie. Look. It is so good, girl. I don't even want to leave. Hey, hey, hey. Lighting is so good. Oh, it's so good. Girl. Don't want to leave.
So that's all you're gonna put on the thing? So you're gonna like
yes, girl. Yeah.
take me walking.
Yeah, go ahead. Then I'll do a slow mo. Go ahead, Mia. Hey. Ooh, yes. This outfit is giving, baby. It's giving. Hey. All right, what you rocking, Mia? Is it Fashion Nova? Fashion Nova, y'all. 2 years ago. Yes, ma'am. What? Okay. Contemporary, y'all. They look great. Okay, Fashion Nova. All right. Yes, ma'am. Hey, go Willie. Hey, go Willie. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. What's that? Can you guys see me? Alright, you guys, we are done eating. Great lighting. So right now we're just walking back to the room, you guys. And we have William and Mackinson walking. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Yeah, it was over there, I think. Alright, you guys, we're gonna catch with you guys later. Bye. Yeah, the logs. Alright, you guys, we're over here at Bessie Crib. Say hello. Shut up. You know, it's the usual kitchen.